What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how you can download iTunes on your PC, because as you may know, sometimes if you use iPhone you need to transfer your files or like pictures or whatever you want to transfer to your PC, to your Windows PC, and if you don't have iTunes you can do that. There's other methods that you can use to transfer your informations, but using iTunes is much more easier. In this video I am going to show you how you can download iTunes on your Windows PC. Very easy with no issues. The first thing, click on the Windows settings and then search Microsoft Store. Open the app and search iTunes. As you guys can see here, this is iTunes. All you have to do now is click get. You're gonna see where it says pause get, and you're gonna start downloading the application on your PC. Once you download the app, it's gonna be very easy to install iTunes on your PC, as you're gonna see in this video. So now the process of downloading iTunes is done. We're gonna click open, and as you guys can see here, we're gonna accept it or agree at the terms of using this program. So click agree. And here we go. So we can use iTunes the way we want. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and please, if you have any more questions you can comment below this video and I will do my best to help you guys. Bye. See you on the next video.